Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today I want to talk about Al-Jabbar, which is one of the name of Allah in Asma'ul Husna. Okay, in Islam, Asma'ul Husna have 99 name of Allah. These names are only used as a greatest in this world. Therefore, a Muslim would not be given the name of Allah in the game in the same form as Ar-Rahim, but could be called Rahim. Okay, today I want to talk about Al-Jabbar, which is one of the name of the God in Asma'ul Husna. Okay, Al-Jabbar. Al-Jabbar means the most foreseen will cannot be denied by anyone. Allah's compassion is because of His love for the chosen servants, because people are often forgot and neglect. Only by His compassion human can be realized. This can also be seen, for example, in the natural order in which the sun and the planet move in orbit in accordance with the rule of the God, without anyone interrupting it, or the human body like a heartbeat without our control. This thing force it is creature to obey without any choice to disobey Him. We also know that people are more likely to turn to God in time of trouble than to be happy. Believers who believe in the meaning of this name of Al-Jabbar will be brave and happy with God's plan despite his dislike, making him always obey Allah's instruction, uphold the truth, and embrace the evil. Al-Jabbar in English is referred to as the compiler or the restorer. It is called the restoration because God restores something to a good state or improve it. This is in line with the forward explanation that God restored mankind through a little bit of solution. Let us not forget that God has said in the Quran that He will not test servants with the test that we cannot handle. It is said that anyone who practices this Al-Jabbar reading will not be forced to do anything beyond his will, and will not be exposed to violence, tyranny, and hardship. Okay, that's all I want to say about Al-Jabbar, which is one of the name of Allah in Asma'ul Husna. Okay, wallahu a'lam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to talk about the name of Allah is called As-Sami'. Based Surah Al-Ankabut chapter 29 verse 5, Allah said, Man kana yarju liqa Allahi fa inna ajalallahi la'at wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. The meaning is, whoever should hope for the meeting with Allah, indeed the term decreed by Allah is coming, and He is the hearing, the knowing. He is the one from whose perception nothing audible escapes, even if it is hidden. He is conscious of the black ant creeping upon the massive boulder in the pitch dark night. He hears the praise of those who praise Him, and He rewards them. He hears the invocation of those who invoke Him, and He answers them. He hears without the usual auditory channels. He listens without earholes and ears, even as He acts without hands or feet and speaks without a tongue. His hearing is not to be compared with that hearing to which ordinary speech can gain access. No matter how much you consider this hearing, that is to say God's hearing, to be free of a change that may affect it's when the audible things occur, and no matter how much you consider the hearing to be above that which is heard by the human ear or some device and instrument, you must know that intrinsically this hearing is of such a nature that by it the perfection of the attributes of all of the things here is disclosed. The one who does not examine this view closely will certainly fall into the snare of anthropomorphism. Therefore, you must be on your guard and watch carefully in this matter. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.